feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
All right, boy Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today, what we have here, today we're gonna be spraying this F350, paint code D1, small job, a few burn throughs on here, so we put a little sealer. We're gonna use the Luma base clear coat gun, and also the sporty new lab coat they got out. Man, you guys wanna check that out. That thing is smooth. Coolest, slickest looking lab coat I've ever worn. But today's main focus is gonna be on another full face mask with a glass visor. To my knowledge, it's the only other one in the market that has a glass visor, and that is the SUNDSTRÖM SR200. It's this mask here, again, glass visor. Let me got the keys today for you guys. Scratch resistant, chemical resistant face mask. You can wipe it with some thinner, clean, no peel off things, none of that. The filters that go on here, there's a particulate filter, there's a chemical organic gas filter, which they are piggybacked off of each other. You can take off one, leave one, but from what I've learned on these, it's best to have both because some of the paint fumes are still in particulate form and they can be inhaled, so they're both piggybacked, double protection. And what's cool about this mask, you can unscrew the cartridge, then you can take either an air supply from your airline with proper filtration into the mask, then you have supplied air, or you can go the PARP, the powered air unit, damn it, you know what I mean. You can take that unit, just like the VersaFlow, around your waist, hose over, go right into the mask. So if you guys are into that, the powered air, you don't have to have the big helmet, you know, the Space Cadet. You can just have a regular mask with powered air coming right into it. So that's cool. That's actually something I'm gonna look into. You know, then you can also use it as a backpack. They have it, you can put it on your backpack. Line comes right over, right into the mask. That's cool. You know, I'm gonna check into that. I like that. So the mask comes with a 6-point harness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 harness, elastic. It's not the rubber or silicone like some of them. This is an elastic silicone seal. Has like a double seal here. 1, 2. It's a one size fits all, and very clear. I actually have not sprayed with this mask as of yet. Today's gonna be my first time trying it, but I have put it on and looked through it, and it's extremely clear. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unmount you. I'm gonna place you in the mask so you can see what I see. Boop. Okay, so now you're seeing what I'm seeing through the mask. Looks pretty clear to me. The little reflection you see is just behind me, the lights. But that's very clear. You know, you can see detailed on your stuff there, on your work. Now I'm gonna pull you out of the mask. So as you see, pretty clear, pretty clear, pretty clear. Screws right back in. And that's it. So that's where we at with this one, SUNDSTRÖM SR200. Very nice mask. We're gonna try it out today and let you know what I think. So I'm gonna go mask up, mix up, and we'll get to it. Boop. Hello everyone, and welcome to the second installment on the full face mask / eye protection. And today we have the SUNDSTRÖM SR200. Great mask. I will say off the bat what I like about this mask, besides the obvious glass, clear glass, great visibility. Ooh, clear, speaking of visibility. And this is just my way of doing a little fit test, which I'm sure is a much better way. But I cover the cartridge hole, breathe in, and you see the seal flipping close. I mean, right now when I'm doing that, the mask is actually sucking into my face. You really probably can't tell that, but that's what I do with all of my full face masks. And you guys that are just getting into using a full face mask with a glass visor, you know, you put the mask on, pull your harness, tighten it up, and then you go ahead and wherever your cartridges are, you put your hands over your cartridge, try to inhale, and if the mask actually sucks in against your face, then you have a good seal and you're good to go. If you have leaks, you'll feel it around your ear, on the side of your face, or the top. You have to adjust your harness accordingly. On this here, as far as body lines, you guys got a body line there, keep your metallics off of there, or you got one up top. It doesn't matter. Whatever you're comfortable with. You guys make sure you're using body lines to blend. See that? That's perfectly fine. Or we can go up to the next one. Tilt your gun down so the top of your fan is hitting right along that body line so you're not changing the color up on top of the fender where it meets the hood. Play with body lines. They save you. They'll save you. So, again, with the mask, the visibility, looking through it, the glass is awesome. 100% clear, no reflection, nothing. The way that the filters are set up, you can piggyback them off of each other. You can customize a mask to fit your exact needs. You might be just out prepping vehicles and you don't necessarily need it for the organic vapors, and then you can just have the one small cartridge on the mask, and that mask would be for you in your prep zone. So the mask can be customized to your needs. You may be spraying some crazy, I don't know what you could be spraying, but you know, they got different filters. You can combine them all. You can piggyback them off of each other. Pretty cool. The mask comes in at 450 grams, so very light mask compared to my original 3M full face mask I wear. That's at right about 402 grams. So another 48 grams and you have a permanent lens, fixed lens. You'll never need to purchase protective sheeting, any of that stuff. Worry about ruining your plastic, having visibility issues, nothing. Another thing I said was pretty cool about this mask from the beginning was that you can take it and it can be an air fed. It can go straight from your air compressor into whatever filtration you use, then air fed to the mask. They have adapters for that, or you can have it with a powered air, kind of like the VersaFlow, the PAPR system. You can go with that. So it's a very versatile mask that you can use in different applications. Say you can have one setup, have the same mask setup, one for your prep station, and then when you go into the booth, a simple disconnect and hook into whatever air system you want to use. So that's pretty cool. That's the finished product on this here Ford F350. All right, got it done. Very nice mask, very nice. And also, same thing on here, as I was telling you guys about a previous mask. Little sweat catches here, nothing puddles up inside. Like no sweat puddles up inside the mask. I just snatched it off, probably still see the prints on me. And I'm sweating in here, trust me. It's 100 degrees in this booth, I'm sweating. And it doesn't puddle up inside. So that's another good thing that I like about the mask. But yeah, so that's it. Paint is the paint. You know, no biggie on the paint. Luma 3 did their thing, as always. Little sealer with the Porpoise gun. Great combination, the guns, the mask. Great job with everything, man. Very satisfied. So there will be a link in the description for you guys in case you want to pick up a SUNDSTRÖM SR200. Good mask, can't go wrong. Till then, catch you in the next one. Peace. Okay, fellas, and that's going to wrap it up on this one. The SUNDSTRÖM SR200 full face mask with glass visor. Awesome mask. They do make a version of this with the plastic lens if that's something you're interested in at a lesser price. that's an option. But for me, I wanted something with glass, and this fits the bill. You guys be safe, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.